Hello, cherished viewers. Welcome back to Sandy Home Recipe. Mama call about Sandy Home Recipe. Send the kind out of my video. Remember to subscribe. Now I share. No me notification bell no. Send me the video be able to our Sabeka. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. May the good Lord bless you all. But you see berry ice cream here started. Only 2 cup milk ebegu ademu. Now they see each other. O the 1 egg yolk aka ho. 3 tablespoons sugar. 1 mixing in together. We are not just supposed to make the ebehu. Say o mani si supposed to ma e beteke na fe so liquid ni so biye den. E so bete. Ahana aye ready no akọ transfer go ade foforo mu. Ba obema na adwo ansa. O the vanilla aka ho. 1 cup heavy cream. 1 mixing in together. We are now the blueberries. We homemade. Me and me blueberry jams. Now they the egg 1 mixing in together. Ako transfer go ice cream cup mu and I say ade opese with the gumu no. Please, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and also click the bell icon to get new video I will post. Wakata soak. Not the question freezer for more than 4 hours. After 4 hours, now I serve. Me machos ni di kan a wo hwe me video a mema we subscribe na wa share na wa like no we me notification bell no send me the video bia beto wa won sabeka me ewie na me taste ye no it tastes really nice. You will love it if you give it a try. Now this our berry ice cream. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.